Welcome to Capstone Corporate Suites, the next icon of Banda Kasia. Seamlessly integrating work, wellness and lifestyle with nature, this green certified building is located in the strategic Central Business District of Batu Kawan, Penang. The grand entrance, framed by graceful columns and lush greenery, welcomes visitors with a sense of calm and prestige. Step into an elegant lobby, equipped with first-tier security and card access, while high-speed smart lifts reduce waiting time for a smooth and efficient flow throughout the building. At the heart of Capstone is the central atrium, a vibrant space that breathes life into your workday. Bringing the outdoors inside, experience a green oasis without leaving the building, which is thoughtfully designed with energy efficiency and renewable energy in mind. The rooftop is perfect for elevated relaxation, with stunning views to impress and inspire. Our unique office-to-garden concept lets you soak up the sun from cascading terrace gardens to refresh your mind before, during, or after work. At Capstone, discover a new business lifestyle where work and wellness meet the beauty of nature. With direct access to major highways, industrial areas, educational institutions, and retail hubs, Capstone Corporate Suites' prime location is the key to its connectivity, empowering you to rise above and beyond.